Find your spoon.
What?
How much do I need?
That's probably okay.
That'll work.
I don't want to do this.
Lots of saliva. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Don't think about it, just do it. I just did it.
You just shove it in your mouth. That's what she said.
It's either you or the dog.
Come on, dude. Camera's rolling.
1, 2, 3, go. Suck it up. What are you scared of? It's just cinnamon. Isn't that what you fuckers were just saying a minute ago? It's just cinnamon.
Dude, just do it.
Oh, Dad's coming.
Dude, so? Just do it. It's Jen.
Do it.
What are you doing?
Cinnamon challenge.
Oh my God, you can hear. Oh, jeez, I'm not.
Dude, just do it.
Num,
Are you
num,
chewing
num.
it?
Don't make yourself cute.
That's fucking awesome.
That's so funny.
You're alright.
I just did it a minute ago.
No, is she alright?
Cinnamon challenge.
I need more water.
You need more than water.
Yeah, probably not water.
It's not burning. Honey, it's dry. It's got it all over the floor. This one takes the little thing off. There you go.
I would think that would make you.
Are you gonna do it again?
What?
You said if you did it, you would do it again.
Oh my god.
You didn't even like spit it out or nothing. That's awesome. I should put that on YouTube.
You're just saying that shit because you want me to do it again.
No, I said that before. I said I should have had my camera so I could put it on YouTube. Because you didn't spit it out.
You should have thought of that shit.
Dude, it didn't burn at all. It was just dry. Like, I know, it kept puffing out of your mouth. It was dry. Dad?